Today we are diving deep into the world of beauty products to decode the perfect choice for your skin type. In this exciting episode, we'll be comparing two popular makeup essentials, BB cream and CC cream. Get ready to unlock the secrets of achieving flawless skin with ease. Have you ever found yourself standing in the cosmetic aisle faced with the dilemma of choosing between BB cream and CC cream? Don't worry, you are not alone. With so many options out there, it's easy to get confused. But fear not, because we are here to break it all down for you. Before we dig deeper into the differences, let's understand what BB and CC creams are. BB stands for Beauty Balm or Blemish Balm, while CC stands for Color Correcting or Complexion Correcting. Both creams are designed to give your skin a flawless finish while providing additional skincare benefits. BB creams are multitaskers of the beauty world. They offer a combination of skincare and makeup properties. With their lightweight formulas, BB creams provide coverage to even out our skin tone, blur imperfections, and enhance your natural beauty. They often contain SPF to protect your skin from harmful sun rays, and some even have moisturizing and anti-aging properties. On the other hand, CC creams are all about color correction. If you struggle with redness, dark spots, or uneven skin tone, CC creams are your secret weapon. These creams have a slightly heavier coverage than BB creams, as their primary goal is to neutralize discoloration and provide a more even complexion. Like BB creams, they often contain beneficial ingredients for your skin, such as antioxidants and hydrating agents. Now let's discuss how to choose the perfect cream for your skin type. It's essential to consider your specific needs and concerns. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, look for a BB or CC cream that is oil-free and non-comedogenic to prevent clogged pores. Dry skin will benefit from a cream with added moisturizer and hydration. The coverage level is another factor to consider. If you prefer a natural sheer finish, BB creams are your best bet. They provide a light coverage that allows your skin to breathe while enhancing your natural beauty. On the other hand, if you are looking for more coverage and color correction, CC creams will be your go-to choice. Whichever cream you choose, always remember to prep your skin before applying. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing are essential steps to create a smooth canvas. Additionally, consider using a primer to make your cream last longer and provide a flawless base for your makeup. It's time to unlock the secret of flawless skin with BB cream or CC cream. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice here. It all depends on your personal preferences and the specific needs of your skin. So take your time, experiment, and find out what works best for you.